This is a room tour of the Excellence Club Beachfront Honeymoon 2-story rooftop terrace suite with private plunge pool at the Excellence El Carmen in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This room is 1,600 square feet and starts at $508 per night regular price. We stayed in room 5171 in Building 5. Just to the right, there's a small door for you to leave items for housekeeping to take without disturbing you. Large mirror, bathroom with cosmetics mirror, hair dryer, slippers, scale, and upgraded Excellence Club toiletries. I will say that while the toiletries did smell good, it seemed to be the same product in all the bottles, and we were a bit skeptical that they were being refilled by the resort. Not necessarily a big deal, but just something to call out that we questioned the brand. Large rainfall shower. Separate toilet room with frosted glass. There's a small desk with a lamp to the left. Walk-in closet with safe, robes, Excellence Club beach bag, and towels for your rooftop pool. King-size bed and the first of 2 TVs. There is a pillow menu if you want to contact your housekeeping to bring different pillows. Separate living area with champagne and fruit. I will say that Excellence Club promises petite fours and a fresh floral arrangement upon arrival. That was missing. The second TV, another desk area with lamp, and the bar. Excellence Club rooms come with 4 full-size bottles of liquor. Ours had gin, vodka, rum, and whiskey. You are able to contact the concierge to switch out for any other bottles that they have on property. Nespresso machine with Nespresso pods, teas, and waters. And the mini fridge, which is fully stocked every day with snacks, water, sodas, and other mixers. And ours had 3 kinds of beer: Heineken, Budweiser, and Presidente. And moving on to our hot water jacuzzi, you'll notice there are 2 large panes of glass so that you're able to look outside and enjoy your beautiful view. There are, however, shades that come down if you would like some more privacy. And the first of 2 patios, bistro table with daybed, and you can see the swim-up suites just below. Going upstairs to see our rooftop terrace. There's light switches to the right to control the different lights up on top of your rooftop, outdoor shower, daybed lounger, your private plunge pool. Beautiful view of the inside of the property. We have a small staircase that leads down to your outdoor sectional. And this particular room did have an awesome view of the pool and some of the restaurants. Your lamps. And a second daybed lounger, and this one has a sunshade over it, which is awesome for the hot sunny mornings. And this shot was taken a little bit later on in the evening. You can see the lights on. And we decided to bring our pillows up to our lounger because we spent a great deal of time up here and really enjoyed it. Another view at those swim-up suites below. This particular room is a corner or end room, meaning that it's on the end of the building. You don't have a neighbor on one side of you. There's lower walls and more panes of glass so that you're able to enjoy more of your view and see a little bit more of the property potentially. Some people don't think it's private enough, but I think we had just enough privacy with this room type. And this is a shot in the morning. If you notice, it had just rained overnight. The rain does dry up super fast though. Enjoying my Nespresso. And here's that hot morning sun I was telling you about. Taken at 5 p.m. from the private plunge pool, I just wanted to show that Building 5 got plenty of morning and afternoon sun. And a view at night. Here you can see the pool all lit up, Lobster House, which is one of the restaurants. And the lights down on the beach are some couples enjoying their beach dinner. And a couple of clips of the towel art that housekeeping would leave us during turn-down service each night. And on our last night, we got a beautiful orchid, which was a nice surprise. Overall, we really enjoyed this room for its incredible views, awesome layout, and rooftop terrace with private plunge pool. As a heads up, you are able to request a specific building or even room number before your stay. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Check back for an overall review of the resort and other vacation vlogs in the future. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more.